Good morning, everybody, and a Merry Christmas to all of you. Well wishes from us to all of you, and I hope that Lord Jesus may fill your life with enjoyment. Okay, and with that note, I'm going to be starting today's video, and you can also see I have worn this Santa hat, and so now I'm going to be having my breakfast, and let me tell you the time. The time is 9:56 a.m. Okay, so for today, for breakfast, I'm having this. Guess what is it? This is egg toast. Okay, with some sauce. I'm going to be having it. So let's start. I like to eat this thing very much. Today my mother is also baking cake at home. We will cut it. Today I also have party with my friends, actually virtual party with my friends. Don't think that I'm calling everybody and we are doing that. No, in online only we will do a virtual party. I was really very much excited about this festival, Christmas. Today only in this video I will show you decoration also, how I have decorated my dining room, and whatever things you can see now, whatever things I will be showing you, everything is made by me. And today, I hope all of you have noticed that I have worn everything red because today is red theme. Okay, and in the evening party which I'm going to be having with my friends, because of that I have worn it. Red theme is there. I have decided the red color because Santa Claus always wear red and red looks quite good. That's why I thought to do this red theme. And today, from the morning only, I'm wearing this red. So again, I will meet with all of you later. Bye. One more thing.
Merry Christmas, all of you. Enjoy.
Okay, so I will meet with all of you later. Good afternoon, everybody. So now the time is 12:45 p.m. I have now it's lunch time. So I just took my bath and I just came here to have my lunch. So today for lunch I'm having some mushroom sabzi. Let me show you. And this is dal and rice. So let's start having. Mushroom is my one of the most favorite thing. Wow. Damn good. Sabzi is excellent. My mother made cabbage also, but I don't like cabbage in that. Okay. So now I will meet with all of you again later. Bye. Hello everybody, I'm back. So now, as I told you, I will show you my Christmas decoration. I'm going to be showing you my Christmas decoration done by me. So the first thing you can see this And see, I have made these paper rings and I've hung it on our showcase. See, colorful paper rings. And this is a snowman which is made by me with paper. Okay. Now I would like to show you this table. So first, this is my whiteboard in which I just made the drawing of Santa. This is also a drawing of Santa which I made. See? And yeah, this is a craft, you can say. Little cute craft. Now I would like to show you the main attraction of Christmas. That is what, guys? That is Christmas tree. Okay. See, this is my Christmas tree. You can see the house in the bottom of the Christmas tree, and that's made by shoebox. I have made it, and these are two boxes which I have decorated as these are actually. And again, I would like to show you these snowman and these hangings I have made by paper, and these are just white. These are little cute ornaments, looking quite good, and my mother has done lighting in it, looking absolutely nice. So that's my whole decoration for Christmas. I will meet you with all of you again in the evening. Bye. So I said you all that I will meet again with you in the evening, but now only we are doing the cake cutting portion. So yeah, let me show you the cake. Very important. My mother has made this cake. Very beautiful, na, vanilla cake. So let's cut the cake. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. फूल भी दो टाइम. Candle type फूल.
I will. This first bite is for all of you. Then my mom would feel like to feed my mother. Mama.
Yummy.
No comments. This candle is part of my decoration. Okay. My God. Really tasty. So I will meet with you all again later. Bye. So I'm back, and I hope all of you liked my today's video, and I hope that all of you have also celebrated Christmas very nicely. So if you like my today's video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Stay at home and stay safe. Bye.